then my defender will make a most of times the cast never by your swinging now, most cars in sprinters. Alan says Stambek able to be the sound of 4 sprinter.
That be and you also didn't cast Stambek no and a sprinter in our boy.
The same price.
Bam says Stambek
there hasn't been any change. Nina boy.
Time one
and I'm a say pay near Chama Adu cinema kind. Woman the same price.
And I'm some of the woman pay. Time one and
yes at as a samba sister cities.
Oh, okay. Time one every test is
I know also.
No 55.
I know what
I know 50 cities.
But see a bar system the same price.
Do you know what you're from Yaboso car?
That be
Babos maintain if you maintain. South Sprinter on way 1 seat a film. Mesumi yam cross check. Cast a coat Techima from Kuma to Techima.
Omunteso.
Sit in a woman's 5 now. I don't know more problem more could be free.
I don't know you also 7 years.
I also for some.
Me name Techima.
Not in trouble, yes, sir.
I know GPRTU. And then go safety for.
W. Yeah, you come young company.
And I'm a say.
And I stick with what the Pim.
You're going to stay at Pimpimism. I still have said Pimpim.
Yes.
The last time you cook Kumas in the moon is
now you're okay. On what
boss, not the one time
front.
Boss with you.
So, or your boss, or you oh, hello, sir.
One time to next
front.
Actually, one I'm a
boss. Or said, okay, sit in Martin's idea and a stone. I'm to free. Dadana. And then go for it, yes. Omuya Mobo Nagana, no, baby, I know you. Okay, sister Gana come without a years.
Sister Gana, and 70 cities, or Kofu Jabosoka. Boss, yeah, Jimmy Safa and Bida. Sir, Dio Gana Jabosoka. Yo, okay, young Quenman, and I pay Yentium.
And maybe Bana come 80 cities.
We'll show you out the Waka. Sure.
Buga.
Tama.
Somewhere here. Na and the town tournament now. I take shape.
Yeah, say the Kosapia and fa.
Yes, a Kosapia and Timian qualify and final. Because you could do any more thing.
Wintimi.
But Madagascar for so much team of us.
Look at him.
I come up. Now, and the Manchester United will game. Yes, and the Manchester will game.
The Grisby.
Yes, I'm the Grisby.
Now, some boy with you. Manchester, Oman's cry 10.
Hey!
Oman's cry 10.
A team
China breaking news. I'm sacked.
Yes, Oman's sacking.
Yes,
yeah, best sacking.
Wait, Mr. Tender.
Yes, it was so much.
Omuye saying, Omu Division 4.
Yeah, Division 4. Omo Division 5. No more Division 4. I don't go Division 5.
And there's a Hoko Massa.
Grimsby.
And coffee.
Grimsby town.
At 20 years. Coach, Omo 10.
Now, what's in there? What's in the Kobe Manumo? And Onana mo and Benjamin Sesko. I'm gonna start a game in there.
To me,
and then you say Buga.
Yes, sir.
You need come on in 80 and I midweek Nasa wait 80. Yet couldn't move Sabakra and so at the bar of Chibadi so and then a pine and never answer at me. Come on. Now, Sadia and Sona as a corner pageant. What him say yes, and me Kuyipa and someone come in Shama. So one Sarantava Bema, one shall better. 80 quick and I was so sorry. Since I went to Natchallen, I did not pick you, Papa, and young second of Mona, and Yare, and then Giant, Mona, and Yare, and a pie me quite fast, and Sabin Son Elton. It also sorry, Pacho, sorry, not since I want to about power, and answer about Palm, come on, 80 minute call, ADB, young Shassi, another pain, no young Crabs and Pacho P, no, and no make to milk of face, Bocano, no, also to milk of Shasano. And never else to make come on. 80 Ponya Kalja, and I mean Shassia, no, and then comes here. I mean to be out of our Paul Capo, and you pay your teams here. You have wolves, a wood traffic, Romitima, you have Western United, and so to Peponi, no, and the side came and so to be out of jar. And you're 7:30, and the side came and then a pay to be out of jar. You pay Benny Mofa, Romitima, you have from Brentford and so the bunny, no, and the side came so, young one to one, and for the test. We have to Tabatinano, give us a to Taram, I have Benjamin Bentima, you have a year from wɔn bɔbɔ kɔ a yɛfɛ Bristol City wɔn ɛtɛ pɛpɔ ni kama na ɛnɛma nso tɛ pɛ yɛ bɛnyɛ ɛnfɔte wɔn tim a yɛfɛ Manfred Town wɔn nso tɛ pɛpɔ ni na Sankem no ɛnɛ ɛnso tɛmi atotwa yɛ bɛnyɛ tim a yɛfɛ Oxford United wɔn ni Brighton ɛnso tɛ pɛpɔ ni na Grimsby Town wɔn tim a yɛfɛ Manchester United ɛyɛ 8 p.m. ɛna this particular game a ɛnɛ ɛbɛtumi atotwa ɛti Manchester United ɛyɛ supporters of Abia ɛnhyɛ no so ɛnfɔma ɛnɛ no pai ne ɛnɛma so ɛtumi yɛ kama na mayɛnkɔ ɛyɛ Premier League no na sɛ prince a ɛyɛ on for the weekends a ɛyɛ weekends tam no wɔn performance ɛkɔ nkan yɛ ɔmo nkye man of the match na ɔtɛm sɛ yes a na ano de yie pa na ɛnɛ pɔnti a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ kyɛsɛn ɛyɛ Jordan Anthony apɔnti weekends na ne performance na ɛyɛ ketewa na ɛnɛma ɛkɔ yie pa ɛnɛma ɛnso timi kɔ yie ɛma the end of the game no apɔnti no ɛnso ɛkɔ gye ɛyɛ kyɛsɛn man of the match ɛma nɛma nso timi yɛ kama apɔnti a yɛfɛ kyɛsɛn Jack Kinesha wɔyɛ former player Entimantima, yɛfɛ ɛyɛ kyɛsɛ Manchester City na ɛne osekan Entimantima yɛfɛ kyɛsɛ Everton na Nancy nanu na sananya sanketa ne performance no ɛkɔnkan pa after the game watch man of the match and so na appointia yɛfɛ Victor Jokonesa ɛsɛ Entimantima yɛfɛ Arsenal nanu ansa kemo boy na punch performance no na eye kentua na enima koyi pa enso tema no punch game ni kono wie na wakwachi man of the match e wa particular no na nyansa nketakra na punch a ye yo inkumo re inkumoha re inkumoha isakan entematima ye leave for potim no rastaman ball akwata performance eye kentua enima yipan etema kwatanano ayitima ye leave for potim no leave for game mo pen apantia ye ro nkumoha energy man of the match and so ye nya pantia ye Dango Otala apantia sakai etema Brentford one is a man of the match ayi man of the match no na nya saketakra ye nya pantia ye Joe Pahia na apantia sakai Tima, you're very ayutese, aye Totiam game an oti, one boy, one energy man of the mountain, aye Chelsea, and so poor game, a puncher, you're fit Joe Petro, and so a man of the mountain, you're puncher, you're fit Julian Temper, and say I can't answer, one thing came no answer. And I want to know what energy man of the match and so it's way a place here. Now to terminal, one so performance and so can Kayepa, and I'm a Tawasaron and so tomorrow, Jumadius and pay. Now and then a Thursday. And then Thursday, and then UEFA, a Champions League now 2025, a 2026, now just a draw, and so a pet to me to ta, it's my million one to man, and for another pay, now young commissar, and then Timsa, or more qualify, yeah, or more air draw, now an Indian, sir, Usha England, and got full cross squad here, Babuga. And yes, and control England and then South Champions League now. Just your pom chain. You're a Tamino. Now Liverpool, England. Arsenal, England. Man City, England. Chelsea, England. Newcastle United, England. And now Tottenham. England, England for the 6 teams. And no, that's about Kutimiji. Yes, I was about Kutimiji. It was about Kutimiji. Chelsea could be quite dear. Oh, yeah. Yes, team quiet. And to be answer, I say seems right. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 year class 6 and so. Yeah, for Champions League. Champions League inquire. Yes. Europa Mai. South of Conference and so mine. Na yentre ayechese omaya yefe ayechese Spain Spain for ekra MC Barcelona omukra Real Madrid omukra Atletico Madrid omukra tima yefe Atletico Pepao and omukra Villarreal eti Villarreal so qualify eti buga so ko Spain omukra 5 solid teams and so young Italy for Tiba, Yefe Napoli, Womuka Inter Milan, Womuka Atlanta, ɛna Juventus etibuga ɛwɔ ayi Italia wɔn nso ekura ɛyɛ kyɛ ɛyɛ 4 teams ɛnso hɔ yɛnkɔ Germany wɔn kura Bayern Munich wɔn kura Bayern Leverkusen ɛna Eintracht Frankfurt ɛna pɔmɔkɔ a yɛfɛ Borussia Dortmund eti wɔn nso ekura ɛyɛ 4 teams ɛnso hɔ ɛno ɛyɛ German for na ɛni sɛ wɔkɔ France a na sɛ ɛno ɛyɛ French League buga wɔn den PAG Olympique de Marseille ɛna ɛyɛ Monaco ɛna ɛtɛ paɛ ɛno ɛyɛ man a yɛfɛ France na yes wɔn yɛ 3
okay.
Eti France for near 3. Allah said, "Tembia won't produce a 2, but I from my 3 teams." Eti Omaya 3 sort of. Now you got Netherlands. Na Netherlands for Buga. Omuka 2. Omuka Tima Ayas. And a Tima. Yefem PFV Hofiam. On Sofiam for a Jomolekero. It's almost a Portica. Omuka Bako. Yes, Porti CP. Almost almost no. Omukra baako enso na Union St. Gilios buga we mo he
we mo
Russia
sure
yes
yeah
eti omoso aba
okay omuntama kra
yes omuntama kra yes omuntama yo omoso de no na uko Adeakyia omuni Galatasaray ene buy
okay
yes Galatasaray eti omoso aba na uko ayenye obenye otima your first Savior Praha and the Sonia team the one we I almost qualify Olympiacos and so Temeba. Now both 2 games and Soba. Your penny tima, your first MC a year current MC current starting one
Champions League.
Yes, almost qualified. Now we say Perforce FC qualify. Perforce FC. When one person Chelsea for Perforce FC last season, Omo a Europa League.
Sure.
Now this is my qualifier.
Yeah, St. Gillo's to move free Belgium.
Omo Belgium. Yeah, okay, yes. Omo are you for now Slavia Prague for no. Omo free HSM. Russia Ebano. I say Ukraine for so. Yes, Ukraine for Olympiacos
and a Perforce free Cyprus. Hey, you look. I feel the one. I'm for budget 10.
Bodo came to mommy. Bodo came. Bodo came to mommy. Now you come to Buffet Soba. Bodo came. Now you came, sir. Hey, Perforce FC. Pay the papa. Yes, a beside post. What?
Bodo came
No way. Okay, Olympiacos. Check Olympiacos, mommy.
Russia.
Now, only Russia. Okay. Na Slavia Prague for check mommy. Na yemfasi Slavia Prague motaba pa botomo mo nyaade
masa
pa mo nyaade eti check mommy na ye ko yenim so photos mommy masa ye do ye so
Czech Republic
Czech Republic and aye Slavia Prague okay omejo money so eti almost the etienne no eti we ye teams ya ene ya twese nyame ya toma eye kyese eye draw enso ebetimi atotwa na ye twese
so many supports mu dey nsan ki edam
we chase for we won
ene so ma 20
nya Perforce FC na on say omoye no port Perforce FC money eye sa FC current mu na
port ba ko mu
yes omuna yes ebe hadwe
sa we dey ke no mu dey ke
ni bebe menya ye be ya kese ba ko ne nya avid ba ko ne nya mo ma sapa
ba conference for
etubuga one part of Chelsea for Kenya mo nke pepa
kese for Kenya Perforce for any Bodon glimpse for no any Sparta Prague for na 80 90 100 nil so we na conference league teams and Europa Perforce no more conference
no more conference
no more bar champions
mo ba just from conference straight to Champions League
so beji o mani so
hey, confirm o mebre o.
Idan kitengete bia.
Be boy pa. Enti we eye games ya. Nyame ya tema aye chese. Aye we for Champions League no. Ene ebetimi atotwa. Enemy for next summer me. Na yen chese ene enche David Chelsea na pia so to make ebuga. Manchester United. Na Manchester for no. Omo games ya. Premier League no. Buga we say 5 games so.
Yeah, 5 games.
Enti omo next 5 games Premier League no. And there's some we are. Nyame ya to next game. On the 30th of this month, which is Saturday. Omo ball against Ayem Belly. Omo trophy. Aye 3 draw.
Draw game. Yeah.
Okay. Now almost I came here. You have a international break.
Okay.
So Omuba on the 14th of September. Omni Manchester City. Omukwa away Ewetiad.
City 3 points.
City 3 points. Now after that game, on the 20th of September. On the 20th of September.
Sure.
5:30 p.m. Not just ASANTE Sakakra, ASANTE sign. Manchester United 8 Rafi. Ewo Old Trafford.
Yeah.
Omuni Chelsea. Pony.
We get 3. 4 points.
What about on the 20th from Omni Chelsea. Now on the 27th of September, Omni Brentford, Omukwa way.
Yeah, Brentford 3 points.
Nice one. Now on the 4th of October, Omni Sunderland 3
points.
Omu next 5 Premier League ground.
Omunya 1 point.
Burnley, Man City, Chelsea, Brentford, and Sunderland.
Yes.
And Manchester United
1 point out of 15.
Yes, so papa for Muniago. Tibuga.
Yes, sir.
I don't say that to some score. Anyway, and some crap. And from an transfer now, Mona and so her 18 year, you have Tracia, yet in some crap and so met him that to jar. Now you're trusted my second. Thierry, and it's some year to jar. What's up, bunch of Alessandra Isaka? Was Saka Demantiman? Your friend Tessa, a Newcastle United on was he a reason, was he when a hypocrisy? Now, didn't say hypocrisy and say, was he a bunch of Alessandra Isaac, every tema? Your friend Newcastle United on, are you person in Naya? Was he personal and penny for most of them? Are you Baya? Now, and the basic one was to move 15 man. Na akobekwa wonko
kwa yepana pamono
kwa yepa pamo
bono de ndi
akwa akọ
amanfo bese wata
eti wose basa fairness ni adwuma so mu treat press na equally and say we efi won ma say okwa ida so nyabebo anaso onyabebo no e was say empelifo show emotionally edma aye such prayer no enti fa say o performance ne ye anaso performance enyanti eno ye tie no Harry and somebody to do on a branch here. You feel Sunday sack. You say academy team for Newcastle United. What you say? Obetima 20 ma. You feel I just Liverpool team no. Na any man sort to make a buga. Yes sir. And Wednesday. Echine sabo 2:30. 30 minutes that say one let's say how many minutes no? 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes, don't back on 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. What is Wednesday? Echine about 2:30. And everybody details some more. And so at you about Etubuga, Bastard call up a Saba. Hey, Benjamin Sari. Bounce and Pemo Kunko. Oh, we part to every year. But I say, I was a proper year. I'm not in 70 years, but you're not a pay. Ya Bobby D. Officer Moon Komoka Kawasu Gusua, Woutier or Press Sport Station. Liberty 92.7 for Mammy Falcon. I see some. Now me call Lemon Chrome. Oh, Panana Pay. Mammy share special good one. Mammy call my new site. Now me share Japan Pay. When me sound so good, tell me. And that's a good to no fame. Young Concordian Komoka Crab. Yanko Po Yatuma on the 4th of September. Black Stars Ebabo, you World Cup qualifiers. You 2 games. And you came between Omaya for some Mali and after Chad. Now coach Anity at the Otaro at the 26 months squad in Anon. At me Abba Pio, one of the pubs for any dinner in Anon. And so at the offer, goalkeepers Makuma Kumiensa, Lawrence Ati Ziggy, Afe Joseph Anan, and Afe Benjamin Asarwemu, and keepers of Tado, Etimaton Sade from Afeoko, defenders now, Gideon Mensa, Derek Atakon, Mohamed Salisu, Jerome Opoku, Alexander Jiku, Jonas Ajete, Tariq Lamte, and Afe Caleb Jerichi, we will defend them for Tado Atonsa, and the Frewom, Oba Mefodas now, Elisha Ousu, Mohamed Salisu, Afe Mohamed Kudus, Ibrahim Osman, Ibrahim Sulemana, Thomas Pate, Abdul Salit Samed, Oba the forwards now, Omumba Tontrano, Antoine Semenon, Kamadin Sulemana, Joseph Pencil, Jerry Afriye, Jordan Ayu, Christopher Bonsuma, and Afe Inaki Williams. When we are present for Coach Ali Di Adi Otaro, Atun Star from Yankoya Duma, World Cup Conference of Kosorum, Omu Yavetma Bonafe, Oma Bonagana, Yanso Yetma World Cup Nebi. Now the next year,
no Pania, the tea, John Mensah, can I find say the Rock of Gibraltar. Hey, or Penny Wedge, Black Stars said, only wine was see buying. Now, was see Black Stars. You 2 games now, your boy, and I say, you about the same thing. Oh, game my animal in the chat, Babona, or did ye say Ghana? You bet him a walk up, maybe. Yenti John Mensah, former Black Stars captain.
Well, I cannot promise that, but I can show say if they play like the way they played the last 2 games, I believe they can qualify because now they are doing well. They are playing also good, and they are knowing each other very well now. So I believe they keep on like that, the way they played the last 2 games or last games they played.
Well, when it's some John Mensah to the other nothing or sounds of course, said I be my main concern way come on sana, my free hard course the India Black Stars the performance in Koyeri said your local teams, especially KOTOKO, House of Folk, teams are good one performance in Tiama League, and Koye, and then I'm sure Black Stars is so your performance on Abba from Sir, Yeti John Mensah.
When they see the way the national team is going, I think they know that there's a little things which is not good because nowadays, if you see the local clubs, league matches they play, it doesn't function like those days. But I hope say if they keep their eyes on it, on the local clubs, I think they can.
Well, when is some John Mensah to the I don't let you know see one Adebaku hand upon his Abia who say Black Star code is for just a place in your maba and then not Kofia Betina, not Kwabnaba. You need consistent team. Name Adebaku Betima one say you to be maintaining a place in Ababua. They be a waiver or turn away quorum. Only somewhat. You take the Rock of Gibraltar. Our player and as a former player of Black Stars. A year opinion the team at John Mensah.
Oh yeah, because this is the team they are maintaining for them to stay for the national team. But I believe if they keep on and listen this, I think they can also be together and work hard for the nation, and then we can see that they can achieve the trophy for the nation. So I think they should maintain them, and then but any coach, sometimes they can see some of the players performing well in their clubs, so any coach can also call up from other players to come and join. But only things that they should maintain what they have, and let's say that they brought in, I think it can be better for them. So, thank you.
Well, when is some for John Mensah and the Black Stars captain, the Rock of Gibraltar and Publisher for Martin and Canada team and our penny team, and you see Al-Hassan Chips are no, not your friends. So, yes, you know, sex, say, or head of player relations. Now, or see or no, what did he say? Otodo, Najima Wayan, and then I want over to the Ghana, at Timako Cup. You see Al-Hassan Chips.
Yes, I think I'll be expecting the coach to rely on his starting 11 for the World Cup qualifiers. That is in October, right? And so, you can have the national team for maximum 5 days. You can have them for training 3 days. The remaining 2 days are for travels and other stuff. So you don't have much time to gamble. And therefore, I expect him to use the September break to see or to assess or try out whatever strategy he wants to mount in the games in October. So I expect him to go all out.
And what about you?
Well, when he says for head of player relations, you see Al-Hassan Chips are the two that safety attention. Now for Yemrani Medin Komaka or local league name, only said Bibiani goes at all player on the team and Kevin upon Aquadawo Chinechewa. How are you, Bema Brutana? Now go point out Sunday, champion of champions, a Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO Timani, dear, goes to the Bekoso or dance partner player. We say, KOTOKO for mom who on a game where me, my woman, by player, the dear Kevin upon.
Is an skillful player. Not to dance first. Yeah, so my boy was seeing a mocker. Say because he's through the answer energy. The next one is I will cost one time. She said, I feel so the same one. To make us one time. She upon the CBA, no more than
Well, when I was a 4 player, and the Eddie Kevin or Pono, or if you go south for different at the 2 da, now only Mr. Elra, just Kumasi Asante KOTOKO team, no, Aqua Sani 2 players. Player the team Musa Amzata, Eddie Free, Akala Snafe, player the team, and Walid Nema Fuseni, on also with the Nefin Swatsaman, Waba Besta 3 good years. Now, and what players this Sunday, no, Nathan Munia on the name Komokakra, now play the Canadian Komo player the team, and Musa Hamzata. Busa the debe no who ya KOTOKO focus on no was so no bro sending for infancy na or support KOTOKO da on what team no me no ka said here was sending Fiemiensa you play the team at Musa Hamza to abra or signing the contract no at the Abia no.
I think in the latter parts of the transfer window I had a call and everything changed. Actually I wanted to play, it's a dream to play for ASANTE KOTOKO. Yeah, I can't wait to see them at the stadium. I mean, people don't really know me like that. I would like to assure them I will give my best for the club to win every major trophy during my stay in the club.
Well, when is some player and the Musa Hamzata on almost free Akala the 2 da, yeah, Nana Post of Femia Tier versus Kakra, after player and the team at Walid Nema Fuseni on Sonra, or to me, Sunny 3 years, not himself for that way, or so football Nasia chair, or Chassia Bobo with team and the team at soccer intellectuals. After us go, no, so about the last game at the man, so to Masabi KOTOKO team, no, at him ASANTE, everyone Sunny here, and also, Yamano Ebon Komokakra.
National Sports Committee at Winneba, some Asabi, Don Kong, and Makinana, that is our seniors and engineers, and I play second class soccer intellectuals, and I come to Magna All Stars, to Ash Group, to Nassau Power.
Well, we somebody some player at the Walid Nema Fuseni. I was a for Bra was Sanama Kumase at Sante KOTOKO 2 jobs of Orano pay Yama Yatia forces because some doors you never see now about to the better enough for the good with some Asanso Eddie Abramote for Ghana pay so the money seminar at the Eberto Mamiti at the Watch Frederick but from some Puga.
No kwasampa ne se kan kambite se adwuma pa me radio adwuma ni atena se yedodo sisi mi ya meje me ho kra nje koko nso so de ne ho baji mu na enya asem ketwa me wie na me ho na me nyina tutumi na nso me nom kan kambite koko ni nyina se ahye bitimi ya adwuma e wa hoodi mu na me ko fie dware wie na me de kan kam ointment na srade a bitimi da na ho ma de achi me ma me koko ye adwuma e ma ho na me ya ene wa poso e ye wo ye nyina tinya ne se amanfo etu egu kan kambite ne can come ointment so our moto yi
can come co capsules there co power free one answer him team was so and we see yo ya pa dia mama can come co capsules empa mo da
when me say can come tie stop mixture so ho ma omo a wo no ato a wo ntimi ndidi be bo mo no ato so ama mo timi adidi opa bi ata for drugstore pharmacy any herbal shop bi e ben wo frɛ 0575 710 712 0506 930577 and right nyina free pure health clinic FDIG adwade nkrato ya tum se eye
Kojona seahorse product no utogu kamu wia fagalance le chame
ene se wonya tesa me de seahorse ma hiti promo no aba no me hiti bi amamo sandi me mombo free a enye wo ho
hey so what enka me kwahwehwe stickers e woni tinum say seahorse engine oil anasa ne coolant apɛ bia hiti aka me de no
me ma obia woto seahorse products egu na fidie mu ate ase fi na de kro seahorse ma hiti promo aba enti obia to seahorse products wa enfa ho ne size a woto ye secretary small whatever on one sticker na pharmacy no atwere number code and amount of money ewo ho fra number no kasika ya atwere no bo code no seahorse fo e check from office na ye no ano no a breaking crime wo sandu mobile money amuru ho akoyikodi
seahorse ma hit promo wo twa de fa enya fa so pre
sikane free 50 Ghana ekosi 5,000 Ghana cedis na achade no mu kese pa e ya bobo ya achade ni bi nso ye mobile iron fan fridges and a TV
na we nso de enya free na wo komo bi atwa no bia
National Electoral Authority Afuaso.
Nasa open church mu bia from 0540 424 386 and 0243 218 566. Seahorse Mahiti Proboy a peking crime.
It is a motion of a phone. Facha me na minye bio.
Hey, Kwaku, now what do you
Me de osidia sa no na mempeno. Na me dem te say ya na ayeden.
a branch te say na woni fine. Just a woni hwe wo dem wi.
Ayame o.
E dan na emu ayese park so. Hwi ni dan mu.
Wo ya sa me ma wonsi me dem ha biem. Ayame a me to fine na say fridge na si hwe. Ni na me to na say rice cooker me toye. A condition pa na no me koto bebo ho. E na adani funa wo hwe. Ni na say toye na say. Me de ayame a na me nkwa him biem.
Na da wo ye hoho wo Jerusalem ana. Wonim ne ekọ.
Bibi kwaso wo hwe kana mintie.
Ene ma me mo nkyeremu. The big family enterprise. Omo de niema papa aba enei. Hwa na obi ato ne niema.
A wo pa kyerɛ sɛ ɛde niema no motom a ɛhɔ na obi ato.
Omo to niema bi te sɛ fine ahodo, blinders, iron, rice cookers, toasters, and chairs ya no mu nuane. Na ahodo, afa fridges ahodo, flat screens, televisions, size bia wo hia, woofers, microwaves, washing machines, sewing machines, ice chest, home theaters, cylinders, decoders, burners, stoves, carpet, mattress, and niema ahodo bebre.
Ɛne na de wa bie mani na ɛyɛ papa de.
Omo niema yɛ papa pa. Na ne bo so afuye. Woto niema bia so omo kye a, omo ma guarantee.
Na omo ofa he.
Omo wo sahwedwena se. Omo ne Puma filling station no ene die no hwɛ. Na obetimi so afra onom wo 0244 675 960 0596 417 417.
Ɛne me duro sesi a me kwa koto fine ato fridge ama me dem ha kama na wo ba. Wetimi ama mesere me biem.
Ajo, what the ben no ya de yekuya woni mu pa na mpese oboa me. Me nua me manum se de yekuya no wafa to ohun so. Ba ko do abrufu na ba ko so ado beans ne watermelon. Ade wado abrufu no emua bi wewe na hahan ni ntia ma na so ayehye.
Oba enkasa kora. Fasem ni si hwa. Bon Agro Company Limited. Ghana hawana wajidi wa agrochemicals mu. Okofa nuro bia baba ko efe na we. Obi abedobrofo no kai se emo bi ote se esa. Ya from Follow Me Worms no. Ebi betimi abem. Endidika kope away. Edre efe na we no. Wo display so a Follow Me Worms. Asem bi omo habrofo no. Ebi timi siwa fo mu da. So obi ado watermelon na se beans. No opedo de be spray so ma asupo so pa. Ya friend knockout. Wo betimi ayusu nre nyina bom. Betimi ayusu away ni knockout ni nyina na say bura bebuo no wutumi say beans abati beans sa watermelon so baba kese mo wani age say okwani bia peso odobrofo ana say beans ana watermelon wodi ka kope away ane knockout bi e wo ba bia ya to agrochemicals na nigi sam ne say eyema koko ne cashew papa if you say nwai etimi akate ne ate ana mo bia ya sai cashew ane koko enti koko akuafo cashew akuafo mo amodobro mo amodo watermelon ni beans Bon Agro Company Limited wabadomo pa Dikape nre nyina bi asan wadofo no so person bisa semi fast nre ho a 0243 900 562 0243 900 562.
Greatness in education begins with one bold step, and that step starts at Valley View University, where visions meet opportunity and your future gets a fresh start. Valley View University, Ghana's premier private university, is here for you. We offer Bachelor of Education programs in accounting, management, English, mathematics, ICT, religious and social studies. On the sandwich mode, we also offer regular Bachelor of Education program in English, mathematics, ICT, and social studies. For business administration, we offer accounting, management, HRM, and also BSc nursing program. For your Masters in Business Administration, we offer accounting, strategic management, HRM, and finally, MEd and MPhil in curriculum and instruction, MEd and MPhil in leadership and administration. For persons seeking for professional certificate in education, we offer postgraduate diploma in education. Entry requirement: all you need is WASSCE A1 to C6 in core subjects and 3 elective subjects. For BSc nursing candidates without WASSCE and RGN will be admitted with HAC, NAC after sitting for an access program. Matured candidates must have been at least 25 years and above. Our students enjoy work study opportunities, flexible fee plan, and a value-driven education. Apply today and make that bold step into greatness. Call us on 0265 818 266 or 0540 115 151 or 0536 743 686 or visit our website www.vvu.edu.gh. We are located at Odium in Kumasi. Valley View University has other campuses in Accra, Oyibi, and Techiman as well. Valley View University, the preferred Christian university.
ene wan kwa adwuma enti akwada ne hwe na beda wo so se ne be ya wo ye betima kwa adwuma afi wo hu se wonnim se na wo besesa wo ba ne diaper enti wo ye video call de frɛ wo ye se omo
hello medo bibe boko ana
me ya omo ahofe abeku diaper no me de asesa no
me di kan for diaper ne to
video call yi etwetwe sisi wo twɛn na video call na sa ba no wo ba ne dwonso ma ne fa wiem kra ma ne for diaper no wo kopɛ diaper foforo no wo yiri san ba video call no so biom
kojo adin na wuja akwala ne nko ato wampa na so
na o se me kopɛ diaper foforo dem biom se me ye intem why
bi diaper nanim ehonum ena fla
internet Everything
Sabrina, wahunu baby ankomo ye ne kire. Ma yan connect wo ne hunu se de ultra fast internet bitmi aboj mama wo fie. Wabra MTN fiber broadband e bochidom. We a free internet masters nankasa ho.
MTN, everywhere you go.
Mira, yes my dear.
Ene dear. Kade wom bia kire me.
Oh, na ade be pa na me sie wo.
Wo de bebe sie me da.
Oh me.
Ade minim.
De me de sie wo an say, makoto Dawood 3 capsules. Ya ma no mo ama kane sisi ana mentime nyina me na so no. Ese metime ya tie nyina. Nanso nei wo me say.
Wotumi gina wo na so kye mama ni je.
Oh, ne je sa fe de ekwaye pa.
Papa bi.
Ene free na ekwaye. Me ma Dawood 3 capsules. Empa me ho da. Ayem sisi mo asa ma me wife kura ni age na tumi se sabro so ma me na akoso ya wonim se ema eni mema nyina timi no mpio age apemfo abatan eni obi a onyanya mfinhia dumiensa
na enye Dawood fo ya na ye Dawood ointment
wo mo na ye se na nsan ya na wo complain waposo usisi eni ade yi ebi na me de twitwi ya wutisi ye yo se wo de Dawood ointment etwitwi na wo me minute 360 capsules ne ka ho dia oh na ye twi na memene
we de twi na memene
I twina memene what be piazo free say require mu enuom yenu enye na ewo pharmacies any chemical shops do do na mu wo de frɛ 0244886437 and 0201681717 adwade nkra toyi FD agietum
Mobile banking no abba. Ghana Pay, mobile wallet, Bank of Ghana, any association of banks at Jiatumu. Obetimi access by USSD. Ana mobile Abia. Cell phone niye jam. Android, iPhone, any phone a wikitebiano. Obetimi access Ghana Pay ewoso. Nya Ghana Pay ne. Na se winya Ghana Pay na. Obetimi dia sendisika akoma obia or use mobile money bia. Ghana Pay no. Obetimi dia sendisika ako any bank account bia so. Obetimi media to call credit. I want to share. I'm a Fiman Rural Bank. Your success, our pride.
Once, what's a wedding easy? Oh, you butankasa. Wakaka.
Messi, Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. Na Mrs. Simo whom I shepe. Minkata was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tornado. Nabas no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never one for ambulance no one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nothing from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up in sometime.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadri. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, you don't know.
Malaria and kawan to them. Lufat. Ye malaria no preko pe sa igedi nkratoi FD ahwehwe magia to mu se eye
Atena peke
Bravo fi mesa bra na ohwe enra wo bayi pon school a wo ba mi hia no na no ne brofo are we hinta 76
wo de awo ififi mu hima bi bia abeso hu eye smart effort college for that room
hey sir smart effort college eno so the school bay
no kra eye school a omo kira de pa na omo je adesuafo e free crèche 1 year ekwapem class 4 akadia ne niam bia omo de kira de no school yi wo bi achechefo no so abin ye pa yo omo koda no ho adade a omo de kira omo de na omo ni so de hu ne say basic school no on BECHEM kodana de amoma meeti Montessori standard
Sensira enti na oba yaw na no ne brofo edesa no brakofi school yi de ayem akono minya ya nka me ben su beko bio
tobo omo school fees so da fom pa
me dadin kase pa ye me ba panyin no se wasi so hwe no wantwa o na me ye ne den
wo haw no anu yi ane smart effort kali omo ya wasi remedial classes
oh sir
ai omo saya vacation classes ema SHS students
mati asem de bo me nkyeremu yi
na de won biem ene say omo ya wasi programs ahodo ni nyina bi general arts, business, general science, visual arts, home science, and technical. And it is say, Eco Smart Effort College, Akrani A's and the B's radio is assured. A hono, home far planning call, Emanikonya C's, a copy F9 da.
Hey, at Bisania Sem now.
Many about some that say, school or boarding, hostel, Emma was see candidates, and a basic school for Nina. Almost sign worker, a far basic school for no, a free also, Jonathan Pacheva saying,
Miss Rob school, you are not much required with him.
Ube school you me no nyina wo sashi also so macrom enkane baby ana Grace Preparatory School no wona hwa obetimi afre school mpainfo ewa homatrofo iso 0245 191829 and 0531 305451
Smart Effort College and just be smart
and we will put in our effort.
Adia yapa ne se one namfofo ahia na yaka asem a esre na wontimi nsire bi saa asem ya bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bia onhu nani so kra yi me di toothpaste ahodo a wo bia se nya atwi mi se na mese entimi nya fita se de me pe no ko sise madamfo bi akire me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me duru wa na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa do hwere ba ko pentem mese na aye fita yi se metimi sere e wo ba bia meko bia obi bia nso wo medical condition bia amana nya yellow teeth, brown teeth, and green teeth. No.
Active Point Dental Clinic.
Ewo hu nim dia, won betimi ama o se no asan ye fitaa biem. Won san wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste, teeth whitening pen, and betimi dia mo akofie. Na wakoto aso use hwehwe Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Awo danyame, omo ben Ultimate FM nchen hwa.
Obwase Dunkwa Junction, 9 miles kwan no so. Sunwane OA bus terminal. Omni Cocoa House dinche animu. Search Junase GPRTU market ho. Self filling station inside.
And afre 03223 96802 and 0554 571779. Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Madra one, Braha, Midemu Pana, wouldn't Bobby Bria Petty Hassan, and afraid you done had Rastwana. One Munra was the Biaso Honto, media yet 10% and 20 in every demo.
Yeah, Mira, Miss Rafata, my wife, my Madrid assistant, 20 crafty order, every say, Messia Majunka, 3P garlic mixture, Mira, and no one in my last stop.
Nasa 3P garlic mixture, the Biamecan was central, no for Tingy, they say they wanted two.
Mira, may say, minimum 3P garlic mixture, no, may feature Como Haunina. At work chakra.
P1 Natural Clinic and the 3P garlic mixture, Abajas, 3P garlic mixture, a bobre, one by whom we are repair frame, 3P garlic mixture, a Brahma Moja dear for Sunny would be pedrenum. And it says stroke, asthma, I am Tim and the monopause, Akumayare, Bojan Wuswatare, one is to Tabri was Sunny on night tired to treat, and a Yana Chum, Honam Tayo Basabasa, what ran a 3P garlic mixture, 3P garlic mixture, and I make come for a mouth. Kaisa, 3P garlic mixture, Yanua, a garlic moon and raw, Yatucha, for the bien fro, a pure garlic extract, 3P garlic mixture, Food and Drugs Authority, Yashima Jet, 3P garlic mixture, Ubeyabu Ghana for Nana, Jinase, Ubeyabu Philomena for Sir Drugstore, Esther Arta Drugstore, Brad Charles Drugstore, Mr. Boja Drugstore, Zaura Drugstore, Bia, Ubeyabu Wako, Madame Obakia Drugstore, Sankori, Apo Drugstore, Fraser. 0248 928824 and 020-100-0021 3P garlic mixture and you fully organic. Your ribbiest room.
I'ma look from when you call it.
I wanna rule my day. Hello, Ghana for bills are coming home more. Bills set 2025 year. And it does so homo bia what you walk only ejuma ye. Ain't if I when it bills. Na beji loan na ubet media ya wow ejuma. Way alone don't kumi. Wun yishio. Ye wun hiane wu Ghana card. Ewa na wun saka usika. Na sa we obia we ya wow ejuma upesa wutremu. Anasa we ejuma nia. Uchi busumi aketria. And your bill se bray. Na beji loan na.
BS Yawa, collateral, and asset deposits. We hear Mubia. Ain't ya feet Bill says will be a 1 year to maybe a Ubetunya Beji loan don't come in Nubi. Nasa what's nephew and away, yes, he can be dear. Hey, wow! Ain't it for Bill says, it was 0596 920 833 and now 0302 200 390. Now what's to me Yawo Bills? Name ain't you say Kakrao? Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills microcredit is just say Bills, financing your needs.
Sika ketwa bi ho, sika kese ho, and too much money so ho. Telecel too much money promo no abedwa. What Telecel too much money promo mu no, ubetimi di 100 Ghana cedis. What debia da akensie ni mu, 20,000 Ghana cedis. What na otwe bia akensie ni mu, and 1.2 million Ghana cedis. What akensie kese pa ni mu. Eno ye Ghana cedis opepem ba ko ni ahenu. Reload the airtime keke, nenya pointer. Ebe mo nya kwenya, wodi be dinkunim. Dial *500 hash. Ana ko Telecel play app so therefore we say too much money promo ni mu say ya dwumadi ese sheka krada ho.
Telecel, connecting energies.
NLA NHS dwumadi so e Caritas lottery platform ni so
abusia ma mensan ema wo akwaba emfa wo emra dwumadi so Liberty 92.7 FM na na pay me wo menua bema Clement apewe ewo menchen wa hase aid to the MP for the constituency, Honorable Kofi Bente. Or I say, Sarah so and Menua Bema. Yonkopa. What me na oh he Simiwaha or Sishamoha. And I feel my friend under control.
Sure.
Yeah. That's a show. All right, go via good morning.
Good morning, yeah.
Na pomo.
Nyam ko panto under control.
Under control. Abia.
Amen.
Bibia wako.
Bacho nyam na do.
Nice one. Parliament is
nyam na do me hoboko.
Hoboko.
Yeah, I think somewhere last month morning na. Omko break kakra. Omko je o ma homi. Adwuma na say nya better very stressful kakra. Until no more breaky kakra.
Now was what breaky. Someone mom breaky.
We do.
Okay.
You breaky and now you have to come to the constituency and then see what is going on in the constituency. And then if there are some 1 or 2 things.
Use microphone. Okay, that's right.
Can usually say breaky sana you have to come to the constituency and then be with the constituents. So that if there are 1 or 2 things I was a policy and I say we in the constituency and why in a year. So we are back in the constituency for the past I think 3 weeks. Okay. So we are back in the constituency for the past 3 weeks and we are engaging with the constituencies, the constituents. Now yet your more issues so that we'll find at least solutions to those issues. So at least we are managing kakra. By His grace and then their prayers, we are managing.
Also by His grace and their prayers, they are managing. Na anapay yamshe. Apa mami through. So far, what have you been told about Adeakyia by-election preparation so far? It is saying, can we say the NDC is on the way to victory?
Yeah, as for Adeakyia, it's a target. The NDC said any elections to be about this year, we are ready. Send your Beji City, no. I think, looking at the 2 candidates in the Mudaho. Looking at the 2 candidates, their personalities. Now, to your messenger, my constituents now, Mudaho. When you listen to the other person, I see he's more or less like what in baby ni abe fan so me contest. Nti ni okan bia na okan. Nsema okan message I will preach it to the constituents no enye message a emu du e wo se constituents no nya ani da so say this person there, there is hope. Say something good will come from Nazareth. And everybody in the Akotia constituency soon say now the ultimate government in power is NDC. And he say if I sending somebody to go to parliament and lobby for developmental project where you don't need rocket scientists to come in and explain to you say we there for NDC neneko. Now the nekwa in terms of percentage wise or was through in terms of the lobbying skills it was through as in that of the.
Is it because any party or
yes,
government?
Yes, the party hereby, so he will be considered. Far from that, say I learned so the secretary or the constituency. Far from that, he was the lawyer to the former contender. Until by hook or crook, some of the party executive, the men at the top, so he can lobby more developmental project for the constituency. As at you compare it to that of the MPP person, no. Here in Chichimukesi Biasa was a NDC union near the co, and they are also ready to let him go to represent them in parliament because I be that. Omu mistake Bimrebi presented a particular candidate. That is in the person of Amasi, and I think when you look at the personality of the second candidate you call in terms of the MPP, it's like Amasi part 2. Uti Ninsama or can behavior cranachere. But for the NDC, we are presenting a formidable candidate, and by the close of the day, now Kwatia is to the NDC. Sit in the jack. All
right. Ovi?
Yeah, Minia.
Sana no who know.
Yeah. I knew for you. Yelia in there be Ben no guale. Undi ti sound.
Okay.
So wait me aka. And then politics. A local. O kosom on for. Apart from say o kwashemra e omra shebedwam no. Eye asudia anagidia on call for nanya e wo mu. A okosmo. Inti enya personality enya hofe. Enenye ebia de hwe otenten no kese. Anka ayi what's not for akra no. Kamanfo bebri omunya ayi nkofo nim adumu but amanfo nim say yesumawa obetumi aye and despite say your party ni abam enra chi no kojo ponkroma munsan jofo na bibia kan betuma din wadanse say wako commission project classrooms ama nkofo kojo ponkroma so nti abam na yesom yeah asumadu local person and here say omo say omukura PhD kura no omumu wogina on the floor of parliament na omokasa apart from oba ufi that is why me na kasa say omo recess into oba fi on parliament oba meet committees say mo hia de nkomo bia ye di ye no ye guso na waje omo adwentre ediko so you are there for the people, you are serving the interest of the people, not personality or we because constitution no o say so bi emra she bedwani a o say onya emfie aduonu ba 21 years with sound mind and oye Ghanaian na abaton peso a opeso ogina no ofiri ho inti sa qualities no ne yehwe na nkoforo so ahwe esoma obetumi dia so opposition a hwe eno no yenuanom titu NDC for the fry nkoforo nani se wo ban ni power ontumi nye development and mi maka kojo ponkroma no se MP bia no ye mawo sika ana ayi fans ahodo 9 sefa be mutujuma 1 NHI ye mawo sika ho get fund ye mawo sika ho district assembly common fund ye mawo 5% of the total sum by assembly and sana SIF social infrastructure fund or social investment fund and also ye mawo sika na da be mutujuma inti afe ba ko no wagi sika bebrewe nyina na se want to me amfa ma ye mutujuma na ye wo so ni bi na me ma kojo ponkroma ayi example say oni abam nso bosome nwotwi waye mpundudwuma okọ mission nti eyesom na akwatiafo nim esoma asomadu asom nti me de ayi at the end of the day no ene be hu de obefa nti me de me hope say asomadu ebefa akwatiafo be hye asomadu animnyam fi say adwuma pa ni nua no hye ase a fofia ntoata okọ ne bo hye ne bofo nche no asomadu beto aso nti at the end of the day no Tuesday ene be hu
anapay na many obi din komo per security situation or no to say or sister ocean patena emu 5 proceed for what is a year about Adeakyia ma this kind of security management could go.
You see, when it comes to buying attention, and Rachi, you know who they see or Abia not. 19 polling stations. Ntokwa esi na omobro amanfo omobro nsɛmhwɛfo nti sɛ 19 polling station kra na ntokwa sisi ya na polling station whole constituency because anka brekuma yeto the whole 281 polling station na anka nim de besi ndi de esi wo ho no ama obia eka sɛ 19 po eni na ekoye polling station abru 200 nti IGP nso ewaso de kese pa sɛ edu ba bia omo say police for sana abato man nete say police ni o call polling station a eni say wode akonde ana wo ye hunhun because e beske abato mo beto aba no amamu ameto aba enti o call police ni o call polling station a o nkra bebia and ye hwe say police for mo call Ablekuma not na amanfo to me bu for mo so ekobo nkofo a na ubisa say abato ayekoto no gidie be enewum nti media na mekra meka say ye party for no edu baabi na yesi o ye nyina no ye nuanom ehun hia go abato de despite say me no nya adwen ye puyempu ye nuanom bi wo NDC ye namfo bebre wo NDC but eno nkire say me no nya adwen nti mi nkoku anam ko praw nti ye de ka say edu baabi ena nanado dankwa kufuado ka say a vigilante group say because you say both parties no bia obi NDC for mo de yenso ye we de emfa asundwe ma inti yembande sa vigilante groups no ma ye ne yenkofo kro anya problem inti ekwa Ablekuma na esisa no na ma yenkofo no so boafu but abato no de ntia Adeakyia ayehye ne say yempese de esi yen besibo yen yaka say yenso ye de yenkofo ko ne akomo akobo ban se ne be ya
the expense of the state security.
We are member man kana sem mpachoko
ye ka mi nua no ye nyina ye ayi sawifo ntitwi na nye kasa nto so ti ni me say yen so ye de yen krofo yen so ye de yen krofo. I'm not speaking for the NDC. I speak for the MPP.
Correct.
So
ntikasa
me say yen so ye de yen krofo ko amamu akobo ban because send ye be ya bibiam beda because do baby last election ye no NDC for kind say oh sa woto aba wi a menko gina polling station ho kopen time ye be kan aba na wi and about to mran so and this say to aba wi a free wona ko but and this for sure won ko for so munyina polling station ho e mo kan aba no fine that is them na I no be so oh ye kan about to mu ntokwa na mo start oh na aya waso so gon de esi ye minua mama ma o history kakra ye ko tendency satem na ndisi na e wa ban ebo mo bu MPP for prepare mo ye ko cheponi same mo bu MPP for prepare mo ye ko akwatia ye ko ya NDC for bu MPP for prepare mo NDC women's organizer Anita de Soso e de ka ko ni
atiwa o
ye ko akwatia by election ba ko
mpa choma ne kana sem
ye ko akwatia NDC for bu yen e ma leaders so Anita de Soso o de ka ko nu MPP for a no mo hyiam ekosi se ankosi hwe ye ko atiwa de ntia ye kirom bi kakra e ba ye no ene se ye ko atiwa ena ye se no ye wo opposition de na mo hu ya che ene no mo di si ani enu nti na nanado ko kan se ye ko atiwa ne ye kirom bi kakra ma ne be dane din oh nanado opentokwa nanado ba ye o se ye disband sa vigilante groups na and they man disband nim say bibi akoto nanso na NDC for omo ko for ho a omo tre no omo be che bibi kakra wo Ablekuma not so ye de ye ka say police no de si wo Ablekuma not nti ye ngi omo ndi pass police si ye ngi ni dia fine but ye mbese be say oh omo be twa fufu afa kwanti nti ye de as a party no ye so ye de ye boa ho na yakọ ye nka say kokon tokwa nanso ye boy balloton ban se de be ya obi ntumi emu obi nti atiwa no se police akogu wo bebre a eye ɛyɛ but yemi so mo se ekwan be so no mo fa omo de be si sa de no kwan eno ne asem no.
Now there is a duty on the NDC government. Any John Dramani Mahama say yebebo Ghana for any ejapade ho ban. Akwatia is included. It is a police for kugu Akwatia purposely, and the reason is that MPP for the cancer certain signals. Say ye ko ya boa ye ho ye kobo ye ho ban. Why will you do so? Your state security or honor or na the constitution at this bimbo na asho monsa. So why will you say ye konya kobo ye niema ho ban? Niema ben am wo. You have nothing. It is the electoral commission that is going to conduct this election after campaigning, selling your messages to the constituents. Constituents na tie mu message you know. Say mu odua, they will vote for you. Say mu nye dua, they will not vote for you. And we are pleading with them this time around. Omo kwa yesere omo sa pepper spray ni de ebesere omo omunya no wankran e omo fa nkwa akotia honum because the people there have already taken their decision, and their decision is that they are going to vote for the NDC candidate. Nti ebesere omo sa political tantrums no ma start omu true say ye koboy ye niema ho ban. We know them, we know. As for the NPP and then their men and women, they are too violent. They are violent. Omu your man we no mkaje so omu chire bibi kitwe bi wetiwa, and it's true. We all saw whatever happened. Ye 2020 elections. Time na omampayini na nado dan kwaku fado etiso. Ye hu ne ekoso e wo Ghana ha. Ye hu amanfo a ewu ye e wo omu nsam. And that was time omu conduct election and kasa in the administration or in the administration of Nana dan kwaku fado. And as ankrofo we nyina no so when it comes to political violence, it is in the DNA of the MPP. We are pleading with them. As they are there, no more campaign, no more common seminar, or more common seminar, they should sell their messages there. But to go there with pepper spray, anyone near money dear, because whatever happened at Adeakyia, it was triggered by some action. Senyesa action na anka bibia nsi wo ho anka to aba no ema obia ko ne baabi and Ghana ya self defense edi untimi nkoyi pepper spray sene esi wo ho untimi nkoyi machete na nipa ne te ho ehwe wanim because that particular person na o issue pepper spray no yenim ne track record. We don't want them to go and then exhibit such behavior ewa kwatia this time around. We best and we are pleading on the Ghana police send your mako go honum because of the signals are MPP sending no, they should be on high alert. Anybody who be obese or the mrano shenensa because of this by-election ya kotu 3.5 years be and the nipa neba be far from that and so and chile say was say because of this by-election there was say obi efrimu because now the MPP whether numbers need to say when you are minute, your decisions are not all that serious unless they be something substantial. A modu I be buamo mano kanko akona nim dia, then that is it. But for them to say akwatia by hook or crook, this is not the time for them to rewrite their inefficiencies as a political party in terms of party executives. Yes, Romo. So party executives no ineffective and yet akwatia by election no and de kwa kwotwere ineffective to rewrite their ineffective. Yes, Romo. Yes, Romo. For the NDC, we are going there peacefully to conduct a peaceful election, to vote peacefully, to campaign peacefully. They should imitate the NDC campaign and also vote peacefully. At the end of the day, whether NDC wins, MPP wins, the place will be peaceful for everybody.
All right. Onia Oten nka no pay Apewa Clement or NDC rep or why nana pay and Minia Samuel Kofi Abia so ewa for the NPP. But on a payment fast that from my air Kunlunga and our more Araba Bazan tablet in the Abejaso. I am our baby, our bow and a dear shame mu a wonte de wota ne be ma hia mu di ahia mu nso a wote yaw sara nso so na wodun so krampa wote yaw mu ensu fita bi tagu ya ran kan wachira me kanfo araba bazen tablet e de ama efri kunlu Ghana fo ahwe sara nso na be ma won so hunsu agene a wontumi ma oba mfafro na oba di ahia mu asisi na waje mu misraw a betimi aprolongo eye enema e de ama eno a ene Mr. Q eno so efri kunlu Ghana fo ahwe wo mro ndie edoso nemum me kanfo araba bazen dia moba na kanfo Mr. Q dia ama bema biara eno nti obi ankonko pe bi 0504906665 and 0545906665 sara so na Valley View University wo mo ese wo mo abie wo mo apron dia to no wo mo eje mo from ya mo ntete from 2025-2026 academic year ntifa won ehembi na onso kona kokoje ntete wo BSc Nursing, Midwifery and Mental Health, BSc and Diploma in Development Studies, BSc Computer Science, Information Technology, Biomedical Technology, and BSc Business Administration. And then you know, so all options and BA Communication Studies among several others. I don't think for postgraduate studies, Valley View University, Sibin Kanjo say, MBA Konya no honum Emma Obibiara. And now almost answer AMMA and MPhil, and have a PhD in Education and Business Administration among others. In Tianape may come for a Valley View University at the amount, but be no so pay a university papa Akodia and no any Valley View University. Ubehunu more a campus no a Odium Kumasi Oyibi Accra. Tachiban so it will be our honum. Information be our piano. Say application forms with them visit our website now www.vvu.edu.gh and our free 0559 105036 0552 097937 0265 818266 and 0543 214619. Valley View University is the preferred Christian university in the country. Gasam ekoku no eno na yedi AC Dynance nti obia upgrade enko yusu Gasam ekoku. Gasam de obia nim say the nation builder and this we are passionate about building a stronger, greener future for our nation there. Ye nyina nim say Gasam de they will always stand in every way with you. Edi bomoden na fa ho ebo mu. Gasam omo ede ekoku no ede aba. Cementa obia eto and to be upgrade to EcoCool cement. Amen papa. Kofi ma memfa we emfiri ho na yenhwe. I don't know say rhetoric so say den you can't tell. Year in year out. Debia yete na ye ba bebie bagreda mo Burkina Faso na ayemhye abagana. Oh ye baby bagredamo Ghana ya want to say aboa pete ochita mesi medan de bia dami yes pele enso so edo how ebreye yete wo ye hwe han sa besi ne ewo mu ana yebenya Palugu dam Palugu multi-purpose dam ebetumi aboa ama the situation e wo mu sisi en kwa no yetumi asalvage enso so no akwa ye kwesi kwanso gina kwantia. Why should we always, all the time, be coming with such rhetorics?
Anopai Mamfa and Chiasunkum Emma Wati from Pimpimina Minchia my constituency chairman Minia Penny, me papa, Boafoni Yami, Namenchia Minia Atamafo, Namenchia, my communication officer Kundes, Onona Roma, and Aja. Yensu enya kwenya yedi kasai na menchia constituency officers tito minua nat na menka nchane se nyame etanachi nyankopon besane yare eyemre nti DSA bia no omfa nani ento nyankopon anim nyankopon na besane yare na mencha me party fo ni misira koleso mutimi minua sa bagredam asemwe no asem bia ha adwen yi pa wagana na senia wo kan ya no opete dia ni bi na ye ana said yen they say bagedam no enya no nko em say dam minu ba kon so wo ye ne Burkina ni Togo hye so your friend Kampianga dam na eno so esunsu swanso no so ano odin ye nyina ye ni tua ye si wo mamu last year ye water region ho e most pele ya white water no e fa nkrofo to the extent say asiye nyina so e fa ye ya asema ye nti bi da na dam ya ye ken ya nyanentie say constituencies be bree ewo atimfi atoye mantem ena omo benya nsusu aso boni na no so kra tifi mantem so kra no so e be affect bi na ye hwe yenyumadi ananuane a ye di na dodo na efri atifido mantem abro atoko ayo ene even pepe na yemi say won say akuafo antumi anua mo no baye antwa na ekwan ben so ne befa ebenya nuane because ye de ye te western north enti emfa ye ho na emfa ye ho aduane no so ra ye dua no an enso ye enti dodo na afri no ho na eba ye nuane mo ho a omo so eye afu sesi idam so mo bie ebefa afu and matese no achikura no afa nipa ba ko kakra mu dikan bie afa nipa ba ko and ohwa yes from 2007 to 2024 afanko for 81 they are record kwa no nkwa no record no eno nkoso eda nchen nyemi say sa 81 we sankomo tiase a ankomo nso ebebo ma Ghana mpunto ne nkoso akoso omo afri mu omo abusuafo nso ahwere ade inti ye hwere aduane no na san hwere nipa nso aka ho na inti ye bisa ho say ye ni anso anu bia abako ababa nanso da bia fi we ni afi bia ne announcement ba bibie dam no inti obi ahwe ne ho yi ahwe yi ye ya mana kosisen ni bisa say insuo no ye bia ekọ hen se ne ya okan yi na nka ya ye multipurpose dam yi na nka problem bi wo ho a ye hwe because say dam no ya tim ya desetimu ena emu adra nka so no ba begum sanso no between bia irrigation ene ne ma bebre because say yenya bie dam ni wie na fa nkofo a nkofo no aye jobless omutumi nkofo omu no baye no modua na asay and egu a na mo voter nim sa what voter nim sa na akogupum na sebe aye waste na ekọ na nkofo japade a omo ahwere no aye kwa nkofo mo ahwere omo nkwa na aye kwa nti ye da bia ye kan amampanifo ana amanyofo na leaders no e kan say we ba bebe dam no ehun susu aso ehun susu aso na e konkofo no ntse eni say say enso fa nkofo a na admufo akoma bucket no mama matres aveni ss aduane amomo ana yempe solution because me menye engineer na me layman idea kakra me kan say ye dams no ye bie no for good dam say na nka se be de system mu akoyie na ensuo no efri no ho aba begum na yenso ya stone so na because Ghana ha yentante say ye ba be spillage yentante nti ye besre say nimdifo no fa ho adwen na yenya hu bibi se ne be ya Ghana emoka because da bia no ye spill dam ni wi a Ghana ene sofa sikanka ye de be yi kwan anopa na mitie one engineer o say constituency bam say timpani o say timpani constituency quota 1 kilometer anywhere. But in Panic votes, voter population about 50,000 and abamba. But to munikota ba konkra. Inti sasika we ya spillage ni ba ye de be manad mofo ye de be to compensation no. Aka yam pe bibi ne fanya se ne be ya ye betumi anya nso no so na tu antumi ansai ankofo japade na antumi amankofo so ahwe omo kwan se ne be ya Ghana so at least da bia ni sika no enko wes. Inti media menya expert de but kakra meka ne say senim di fohwe se ne na pa obi kan say ye dam no yen disetimu na emu no na nso ni ba yetumi restore more nso na ye di bia irrigation na at least ebi nso aboa no beba because says here after the spillage no ye nuanom on be redundant omutumi nkofu and omufu no ba na asay omutumi nkofu e de no mu bedi eno so yasem nti nim di fo no hwe na ekwan a ye fa so a ye betumi make good use of nso na ekokwa no asem nkofo ajapade no na ye because eno ba sa na aban no ebre sika ye de be input juma na no na the two compensations
apa
This is not the first time I'm sending notice to Ghanaian authorities concerning the spillage of this dam. And previous government, both NDC and then NPP, NDC 1 and NDC 2, including that of the NPP time, these signals have been coming to them. And we were expecting as political leaders and as political authorities, now can be designing a solution to this perennial problem. Because every year, and when you look at dam, those within that area, especially upper east, upper west, and then some part of the northern regions, people are highly displaced. Far from people being highly displaced, capital are more invested in their farm and as a farm produce, so essay. Insurance be say in food be and farming in the northern sector is not easy. Farming in the northern sector because one rainy season. And say if you have only one rainy season, that's why you invest a certain amount of money into your farming. That's all of a sudden rainy season into a dam and I have 4 to 8 capacity. I was a be a man be best because someone me show you being so messing and qua it means dam no to be boo. Dam no to boo and also a different issue and that's a different case. So in this case, what do we do? At least Ghanaian citizens and as a Ghana government, it was almost they'll find a lasting solution. And I agreed with the MPP time Omoka said they were going to do a multi-purpose dam. Send a beya kasensu ni ba. It could have been used as it will serve as irrigation purpose. Those areas, a big growth in the economy. So in terms of farm produce, a beton, so food security. By the end of the day, now be a scarecrow, now baby before a certain amount of money was invested in it as a mobilization fee. Says you can close to $12 million. Baby afa. And no, it was shared among party apparatchiks as usual.
You don't have any evidence to that, so don't say it.
Nah, money sika yetua. Mobilization fee yetua. Oko honuma, who say pickers cry they abo honuma. What do you want me to classify it as?
They shared it among themselves. Why they share among themselves?
Who paid it?
So
which government paid it? Because they paid it. They made the payment. They were in government. They issued the payment. They issue payment now who call who say pickers cry they see one ma bra assemble na menka. It was shared among party apparatchiks. That time we were in opposition. No? Definitely, if he is a party apparatchik, sir. Party apparatchik, yeah.
All right,
definitely. Abia kakra beto ni samba wa unu say bia. So that quantum of amount no was invested in it alcohol mo unu hwe e wo honum. At least sanka mobilization fee no kura na your friend is a contractor no. Start be kura. At least a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. And a governance is continuous. And can this is suba yanka ye bet waso nanka the reason and I say a drintia yenya is here be some multi-purpose no anka ye timi I realize it. But as I said, nowhere to be found. And spillage in a people have been signaled they should move away. Communities are now saying inhabitant a among for dying, among for fear e biduregu. Among for no buy ebe say among for ayemwa ebewu. How are they going to manage? It is going to have an effect on our economy. It is going to have an effect on our food security. So we are praying say it will be minimal. Nyanko yebebre na the effect no enye bebre amroso. Definitely there will be effect, but it is our hope and prayer say effect no ebe minimum ebe kitu abi na nko ebe bree na a lot of people will not display na ebi kura say ye bompa so say at the end of the day no ye nhwere akra send previously no display in a bar na say nsuo no edwiri na say ba yetimi fa so ma nipa bebre ahwere o makra beba so na eba so a effect no so will be there, but we don't have any design solution starting from previous government to now. So that's what I can say.
Okay, Kofi, I want to talk about
on say minuano edu ba bia on say ye can national issues are omunjai politics no. On say da bia mo pe among for this ono nkasa ya we say ye be ye project ehun oye mfiti prekonia yo ehun tete ho no say we fa consultant ye be ye grants preparation ni we mu nyina involve ska so omunyai say we mu akisgadin because so bia diska I said in farmer so dan say ye better fidie so na ya ye a populist approach of politics no enye intino ye nya sa de no because omo ba yi omo aka say nkrofo diska where is but ye hu action bia so sika de ndie omo fanto because ono ankasa ya we say ye ma contractor even grant preparation kra no involve ska inti eno bi no me national cathedral no omo ba omo diska na to man fotrim omo diska bum mbe ya bia nso niska so ye besre Dilo to for omko ye auditing is say. No, don't laugh. Almost say. What did they say? What did they say? Oh, smunya sadia no mo ba yi 8 months amko 9 months ni. Sebe, muntumi fu bia nko dian court. Some prefer doctor.
The government communications minister.
Me say, why na mo de na ko gina court? Why na mo de na ko gina court? Mo ba ye muntumi fa akoko sebe akoko kra nko gina court. Di munyai
what about Adubu ahe?
Oh, Adubu ahe MPP ni. Mo ka MPP for me ka MPP for. Adubu ahe MPP ni.
Untumi.
Untumi okoko dabe. Okoko dabe. Untumi nko court. Allegation na mo aye.
Court is a process.
Oh, I know. A process. Inti asama make say.
If you know the court is a process,
I me say. Me say mo fa no nko gina court. Ah, masa. Ode aka sabi. Because them say twi no ntini yi. Mo fa no nko gina court. I don't America. Inti munya za wa this guy no. So be a disika until a court of competent jurisdiction approve the guilty. That is why you can say the person has squandered money. Ti munya za at the end of year.
Before you can take someone to court, it was started with investigation.
Oh, so you can
so certain people be investigated. Definitely some are there. But be in a honum, your appointee and also do why MPP ni. Fine.
Adubu ahe ni position ni dey.
Me too.
Before say baba power na adubu ahe yedmo baby or yedman dada. No yedmo. Before say baba power. Adubu ahe MPP na go be kukuska mamo. Ango be kukuska mamo. Omo to na. Oga pick up auto man, oga so auto man this no. Oya. Adubu ahe to pick up man this oga so back kwa man MPP. What is secure the man for national security for sika. Bebre.
Oni ma why?
Ah, ndunti. What the man this national security? Adubu ahe say. What is come so I know the munja
that time NDC war opposition yeah on national security. People are listening to you.
Me say or the man
opposition.
No,
you made mention of national security.
No, me say operations.
Okay,
operations.
Thanks for the correction.
Yes,
you corrected yourself. Yes.
I'm
helping you to correct yourself.
It is in the public domain that Adubu gave large sum of money to the NDC of which he bought
domain.
Mother.
Hey.
It is true.
You proceed.
Omo mutienu ebe good judgment. So mother, some no mo can say this guy omunyai until say do be court na court na proven guilty say this guy mo can hwe nsem bia mo can crafa wonti mo nkra nenye say akontom na kwan and this for I saw me who your man say that want to me has been paid $100 and something million through the deputy CEO of KOTOKO board, and of which me and you we know say payment, when it comes to payment, it's been done by the finance ministry and a company and agency in Etiaka. So munya zanya at least young focus so say on money at the shamonsa in some more can say mobile by a dear boy man. I don't know some focus no mujai. So be a discount me fine. Many problem. Me because of my DBA. Mo family ma kwan so but some two foot gun for any say we discount munya na emo.
It's you.
I don't even know how to even start.
It's up to you.
You
can choose not to talk.
Concern was say NDC for Obia Diska. The learned Attorney General has assured the good people of this country, say any single person in the previous government were Diska. There is evidence You cannot take somebody to court without evidence.
Or say Munyai say with this guy without evidence, because no court of competent jurisdiction.
That is what I'm saying. Before you take somebody to court, it is a process. Okay. You must gather evidence.
Okay. So you are gathering the evidence.
We are gathering the evidence. That is why
it will better you change your language. You change your language.
To me was invited for questioning. That is why he was detained.
Questioning doesn't mean so.
A process. How do you get the evidence?
Questioning doesn't mean so will be a disca.
He was detained.
Detaining somebody just with disca.
We came out with cases in some of the born say ni a friend no. So me yano and we be yano. We are gathering the evidence to take him to court. Before you go to court, you have to get the evidence. We are gathering the evidence. The Attorney General has assured us. And the good people of this country say, Obi bia we this bia one people abamu no. Yes you nim. Ebi ti say sa Kroll associate ya omo ankasa. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Epamu the Auditor General Amane Koye no. All these cases have been investigated to gather the evidence. We are not in a rush. Send your person who push in. If you have the evidence, we are gathering the evidence. We want to have a case when we get to the court.
Wouldn't it have been better to keep quiet, do your investigations, get all your facts right, answer Ababe won't tell the point to say we
are letting Ghanaians know the processes that we are undertaking to gather the evidence.
So you I was so the kind say apewe aye we enti.
Sir, in the course of communication
in
the course of communicating to Ghanaians, yes, see, these are the cases. These are in some abanye. Yes, hwehwem. Nti ye hwehwem ni enya information, ye nya evidence, ye nya dance here na. Ne de nipa ne court. Ne de akobo no. Nti egusu ye hwehwe nsem no. Omonto omobu no munya sa agenda no person mo set say you form court no court there definitely some will be there.
Okay,
some will be there.
So wait. Nyamisha ma menyina hanane me homra sisia na fe yentoa enkomo no eso
me ba junior mengro ma brawo ho pai na wani na agia wo je oba grosa no na adia wo nyame nam dotamu a wo personality natural health care so aye eno na di bani je say o
peske awo ho nsem di otenete se wo kase mu obuo o prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mroyo
say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yade afichikroma amanuhunu enamu yade hodo ene yade bia wo
ne se wa na me di oluman eni oledi kwa check up o won fidie pa me ye na adoma triku ani na nse mi double no o ni sen
hey I'll grow here
oba o pese o hips anase o to eya akese ye ye nwo adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo wedi aboso a eno nso ye yi free ho very ma oba masua na pese o pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama oba hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyameche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achi wa kuma G runabout Medila Baji Wope Babiani Adesa Human Bank Womono Sario so and Pumam the Church of Pentecost and the Dean Shanimu Takwa Run Stops opposite Zened
Sunyai Ufri Kumasi KOTOKO House Rex Yanito Filling Station in the Dean Shanimu
Frepeske L 055 773 8555
Peske Quality Hair
Within no cell.
Omandishie esendo kwampa ye fa susumi en customers nti apa manfi ura bank abaye bank ya dodo no age atomu abefo kwanya ye de mani sika ni nyina ye obi wa Express Automated Clearing House Mobile Money Transfer Apex Link I Transfer and Western Union ye branch se didi suwe ye wa electronic banking so aya 24/7 ATM services baby ani se hwebe kwai se hwedwunase asangwa ene dunko no fen ye switch bankers draft and SMS Alexia ema ho de ekoso wa account mu no eno so ka ho apa manfi ura bank de yensem wo ye wa easy loan products ema abandwuma ifo nyina na less than 3 hours na we sa kan loan da eba no third party and comprehensive insurance nso a bra apa manfi ura bank There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguna Memfi, Seshi Junasi, Seshi Yoso, Seshi Bekwai, Seshi Quantomra, Dunko no Fen, Diaso, Bebieni, Swama da Dieso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasajabo, Aja Kamansu, Seshi Zaura, Awasu, and a Fufrokra, Eswaba, Seshi Asempane, and near Media, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Usikaso, your head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966 and 0244 948 600 Afi 0549 040 570 Apartment Fee Rural Bank Yeni Mufretete Apartment Fee Rural Bank Yashumoda
Yesi Ebadia Amanfo Senior Beya ye form ne ye kwaye betina na ewiem nsakra ye nso so na presenti na GCFRP any red plus de enable jumade abremo titru ema wona sebe wedi dem emebunu eni to kotna for no mechre migrants esese ye na ye de ye ho hye na ye de nua me ye boye kwaye ho banya so mfaso intimese obi anua bi ni ye ya obi anua bi ye mo ye kwaye ho ba enu na de sika beba obi anua bi benya carbon credit mo frenya bi memuru nya bi emenye bi na ho sunye bi o no more symptoms. The Enable initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP.
Kwame Shani multi-bet so Gini say ebe farm and now for phone in the cheetah phone na. Or the best way for bet influencer and your best one the fufra a brought chichen the code no. Etimi mani nyesika. Course dudu o chichen no ne chire sika dudu obenya. Obia betimi a bet influencer we e the fufro kra edi kan e wo wiase afane nyina free bet way. Kai say nchishika kra wo ho. Gaming Commission of Ghana sashase. Woni fie no wo twe a enko ho. Bet ni wonyansem.
FPAC ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edi kata ho yaw FPAC tutu yawa efiri minimu kura abrofo friend no sore throat no FPAC jojo honam mu yaw nso na se wo ye adwumaden so na wo tutu a FPAC ma wo ho dwo fom Sara na wono a epe sports akansi ahoro ni mriketu nso no se wo honam dua no ye wo ya FPAC wure wo apo mu koma yaw no eyedini FPAC kutia feverishness FPAC jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no saa nso na FPAC ekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebosa no FPAC so ma wo ho sepew ubenya FPAC wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia
FPAC yebusua droma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire asma ne osa yarfo apemfo ene ma wo ma manufo de ensese wo fa FPAC se wo fa FPAC nanu na wo ho anto wa ko hu doctor
FPAC blows your pain away.
Ma, usaka onyo manana.
Anio, sisia na rider na de buy. Sending the momo.
Yo,
Papo. Any smartphone na we use. For momo app ni tuane.
Adian app.
Hey, enye una so ye millennium o se millennia. And na woni momo app no. Oh, millennium for ya anya de kra. For app ni di juma. Na se wo di juma e kontem na ho pambo so wo mu.
Beka enkofuku a wodi bomo app ni di juba biara dem. Tia wujadi ni a open na 7 no ka. Tia insuo ni kania ka. Ana ma unsanka ye bisi ahudo bi a ye manubi. Timomo app no ede ya. Na shase fa di juma.
Wifey, nesana we active say. Ede tikane wo be he no amwa ho de nam oh.
Jemi Razabren. Na minya araba bazen pills. Edu ma fichi cross wanyo. Etimi come say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no ha emaye. Eto da ba etimi basi boom boom boom. Ebi nso wo ha. Minya tinka bia krasa me no be hia.
Bode ne hamio.
Oh, araba bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne mo jadi me mu afri sane ye. Me mo ja so ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na araba bazen pills. Aswemu emei hunchu capsules so aswe ye ne mema no pa ma se de no odwonso 10 no wanya hoto do no odwonso anemu ye ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wo haw nyina afie ne mema so
mira na wo kai last time enka wo ya se ho obazi mu no
asem na kwabo so se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be funa se oh me hu se basa du ba bi nso kra ma dwonso bia me finse ma wie no na se kakra kam
wow
oh se hunchu capsules you haw nyina firi ho kra
Araba Bazen pills and Hunchu capsules. Ebi wa pharmacy and chemical shop bi
was a feeling important how obenya bi wa Candice license chemical store was a few also wofa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena say and Estina Herbal e was a few be kwai Junior Saman and a Primosis Pharmacy who are sciences SKDA e was a few aboso obetuma free Kulun Ghana Limited 05049 06665 0545 906665
Liberty FM.
Abujana mensa Emma wa akwaba efa wo emra dwumadi so ha Liberty 92.7 FM na me pa cho voice tie na ye ba ya betwa enkomo no so e di efrio.
Dr. Baumia's primaries in 2023 he didn't bring a penny into Eastern region. I paid every single penny for him to become flag bearer of this party. He didn't pay the penny. He didn't pay a penny. All the constituency executives, everybody collected how much? No, the prime is 2023, the dollar. How much did you collect? Everybody collected $1,500. Super delegates. Yes. Super delegates. Yesterday I was in Kumasi at the Otumfuo funeral, not him, but the Queen Mother, Ashanti Queen Mother's funeral. And I met President Akufo-Addo for dinner, and he said, you say, what fund the party no say Obi, and I'm saying, aye, because in 2016-17 you said that I was the single largest contributor of you coming to power. You said it, and it is a fact. 2024, and I am telling you that I funded Dr. Bawumia more than I even funded Akufo-Addo. Yes. I'm happy that 2/3 of the people here are from the Eastern region. Yes, sure. And all these things that I'm going to tell you, I've told, this is the last region. So I've met 14 regions. And this thing that I'm going to say,
Yafasi hai. Na ene awoti yewura Brian Achampo. Ono so evai to become the leader of the new patriotic party. And I don't know the way Enyema is ekone ensema hodwa or kekakeka. It is more or less like said this time, you know. Everything is on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Kofi, once again, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Now, Brian, what is he up to?
I say we are Obisano, me 7 regional officer, and I'm in charge of elections and research. Oba party, me are one of the most senior members of this party, so I chose my words carefully whenever I have the opportunity to address people. Now, I'm coming away, but Kakra Mekane say party financing. We go party nipa back for into financing of party.
Okay.
And Debiano make party for say the best asset in politics is the human capital, because Ubeyiska. Na sikane da ho wan you obi twika wan you obi posters wan you obi obebo samamu a sikane ye kwa na me da bia me ka so nkofo mo value mo ye sa boys a ni ma ba wa mo tu mo si obi ekogina polling station obi ko rally omo na me value mo pa na nipa ne ka so finance party na nkan omo nso enka de omo nya wo abane ba de omo nya wo mo o za ni do bi anka o za ni do bi anka mo so mo finance party fam mo ya de mo finance party ya de ye ni bi yedi honam enable but de munya wa ban mu no monka mesre aspirant no say opesa obey leader adentina opesa obey leader. I've always been saying that whenever me Kofi Abia I'm going to an election, I see myself as the sole candidate, so I don't talk about my opponent. I sell my message to the people. Me come in say me chankofo me muntu mami say na me ba meye my way, but I don't talk about my opponent. In the most transparent, because you say as soon mienu ekwa insensane assassin no mani o yanko for mudi imagine o yanko do much ye de nipa na hekra no ye ya manatra edin papa mu ba I don't know dey no afena ye besi reconsideration committee nkonwa me say sa nkonwa na omusi ne sebe nyansa ni because me hunze minu no Kayaso mini wanu ma hu na me no anya ntokọ ma bu nsam wi a afena meka so Kayaso anya ma sa odache hu san ma bum so me ya ade a me papa teacher ni nti me ya ade a me papa ka kire me say nipa da bia no oye Jamaica sebe onim nyansa so ye ma sam na ye no ye ya say no ye wi a ya gosi nkonwa ya waste am for time say ba be di entem asem so me de me ye 7 officer nti me pese me kom to maba de me ka che party for ne say aspirant no obi Anthony message on kan de obetumi aye because we message ntwa no include the other ya magana on shesha o magana because ya media adom na say ye do be di animu a enya fe na kwakoye message foforo nti me Kofi Abia montoma me pese me fragbera nyema esi mani sunie mo de me ba me yesi amagana ama nkrofon delegate dan yagide omu enya de wabo party enya de wase party nti me de kakra metuma kanfa no say party for ni nya botre na ye nhwe ya no asemi because yen sem a ye yisu no eno na ye opponent di eno na metie eno achi na metie Liberty FM mo mother station e wa kra ya Peace FM omo say sport eyes say highlight today and ajuno na omoye and this in say mo de mo nkoso nkeka sem na mo wi a ye record we be isu against mo na ye pepa wa na say be kontokwa so nsema ye keka ne wi hu say enne na me no wanya o na say eternity enka nkesa abontefo fa nkodi say unu ma me nu enka na so no obi ku na ode ne hwe a wo ye mbehyew so ye besere ye mpanifo no omonka ade ombetumi aye no munja me na ma yese we na yese we na me yelusu we na yese no enwu hia nti kaka metuma kan anuminia me kan metuma cha
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say ne votes a onyaye ewo the 2024 election is anything to go by or say the yenyina so am I de kase eno nti no enisi signed in the babiem because I heard Brian saying say
minia me pese but me a research officer there me can free my soye yeah the last time your elections western of NDC 2020 NDC nya 191,000 2024 NDC nya 202,000 MPP 2020 yenya 175,000 2024 yenya 174,000 loss of 51,000 and if we about to yakasi ekuma me ehwo ya traum timbe ampese meka yenya appointment ye suban na party for na nkoto aba boys and this for no money age money ahokeka obi kwa ni di yakwa party because obi wo ha obubo poster no wo say wo ye minister ye frɛ wa wo mfa ahokambe na nipa benya de akoto aba wo ye minister ebi abe 2 weeks 3 weeks na party for kromu party for ba they don't have access to their own minister we are CEO party for no omu hu kra no mo ba onche omo fra wa wonfa so how do you expect the party people to gather the courage the energy to go and vote omonko so but oba omi de me I can say oh yeah victim of circumstances ntembi na asi na e ma no abetum I mean support obia ntimi kwa ma yese obia kwa fam kwa menko because omo ye no enye papa o hwe we had some appointees ko elections ye fra wa wonfa so how do you expect nipa na ebi wanya information o kan kire ebi original chairman o fra wa wonfa eno ye ba omia me pese meko ho because me 7 officer me na me hwe about so me ye neutral but no cropa na me kan kire ya appoint na ya appoint omo no no mdi ehwamo because obi CEO on ko ne constituency grant wa constituency for no well no makodi ahia no ahia omunkura and politics I can tell you I can assure you eni na anya sika o nipa no person hu na MP minu ye ka so mo abon so mo call rounds say MP ko no nya bibi ma wa fa wa nya bibi ma wa wo MP what can wa say ma yo ye di hu dwuma but say MP wa wo ye MP now no party for twe manso wo che party for gum dokuna ba omi na me person meko ye tra o nti minu ba omi ade o ye victim of circumstances entino de asi ya no ye nyina ye nko ye chi ye sesa yesuban e bia me Kofi Abia me nya appointment na me nya no minister for party for year na enne o se yeka na ye njai sansem no ye nya to forma wie ye nko drawing back to the drawing board ye nya homework ya no kasa no eno nya zero ye nko ye homework Yesuban bia na nya party for no ba ye nchen ya ye pampam won na o se kan wasem party for fra ya ye mfa no na o se kan wasem won na ye nja ba bia 2020 de 2024 de atra ho yan koye homework sinto e ba mu no yenye we yatimi we na kan se mielu su ye we na ekodi obi tem we na koye se we na kon ehun hia yenjai yan ka se suban yan hwe around yan hwe within us ni yan hwe suban bia ye ya amo na o se sanfiri because se ekofa Yesu Kristo ba na se ansa ye suban ye den yentumi wona political power
me that say abeba
me say Dr. Bawumia is a victim of circumstances. It's not true.
Okay.
Prior to 2016, yenye ni msema Dr. Bawumia kan Ghana hano. O economic messiah. No my economic lectures. No chire o my ni sikasem baby na drew time $1 to a CD. Eye for Ghana CD. Dr. Bawumia si dabi. And this year more modern John Dramani Mahama more modern kra. No ma practical lectures on how they are going to revive the economy. And no eto Ghana for trim because me GT said 2016 MP campaign on moye any victory ni nyina omunya ye nyina no. Dr. Bawumia single-handedly contributed more than 40% of that. Dr. Bawumia single-handedly contributed more than of their victory. And they do 2024. And Ghana for who say no. Say ya ton ya color TV. E dey akwaje black and white because Abrante Bawumia na ye be ne nsemo kan ya to abama na obey vice president no. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ema ne be chairman of the economic management team. Inti ye nim say adwe dani trim lectures o maye nsemo kika ye die anka ye economy esikasem niema bo be kofom ama ye ho atoye no true he said there be odi ye call reverse odi ye kwayachi enti ye be wie no now John Dramani Mahama ye se wa mo ne ho modern kura no according to MPP and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na 1 CD $1 for CDs no mo de nam close to 17 Ghana cedis and Ghana for CD break
dollar no 70 cedis
me see close
14.
That is close.
47.
That is close.
To us way.
Me, I'm careful with my words. Close to 17 Ghana for Bobrik Abrante Bobrik. Uko Jaman Swa full stop adwane boy din. Eduru baby uko bank na uko jibusia e de ababe business e be bodwa oji ya na osika na hye. Bank gate one na osika na hye. Na Ghana for Abrante mumo brick. Wait, is it does it qualify as a victim of circumstance? Not at all. And near Brian Champo can and clear because Bawumia contribution ebo MPP momo wene onu anso ne nsemo kan na Ghana for gina so etuti MPP 2024 because what na ho amia ye domestic debt exchange. Hey, that is serious. And Ghanaians will never forgive the MPP government. Sade no mo ye omwankasa MPs. Omwankasa MPs actually gina yes finance minister no yempeno. Ebedu baby na Dr. Bawumia na ye nim so ye economic wicked no akwaje ma meslo usu adwuma ye dictarization no akwaji na djuma ye magana fo ye tua ye ma mesla uso akufu eka free of charge and Ghana for sibo break that this one qualify as a victim of circumstance ana debi braja pona samo kan nyina completely true no krasem na wo ka no Bawumia as a candidate will never help the MPP, not even the MPP. I fear for Ghanaians. That is my fear. Miss Roma Ghana force dachi na papa where ye hunu no. Ne samo kan ye 2016 na ye di Ghana share woni ne boss nsa. Ne nesa nipa we be lead Ghana as president Ghana ye we are dead. Ni ode ma ye 2020 2021 2024 no what the amaya bomfo ni edi akire ban is more than serious. I fear for Ghanaians. And Ghanaians should be vigilant with
the candidacy of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Per our experience, for the first time you have a former Chief Justice or your demonstration. How? It's your one Kasana by this woman was appointed as a Chief Justice by Sir MPP government way. Nama mi way as a demonstration because ni sika ya the amount of pension sika or the akoto aban bond or the amagana aban na nadu danko kufuado aban se monye as bosia na momfa nyemputu nyuma Ghana ya kwan asen nti momfa bi nya ya kwan ya clinic nya papa nti momfa bi si clinics momfa bi si schools na ya school mofra entinem akwane bone ne sen ankane bone ne sen na be wi akire MPP government si yentua o yentua. These are the same people. Somebody who is in charge, who was in charge of the economic management team. Yet here no better say, oh, you're a jamba for Machi CD, the key now my GP. Yes, some biom. That is the fear of Brian Champon. A horna Brian Champon, a Kasa serious say the candidature of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia affected the MPP. Seriously. A Dubai began for crowd, but Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, no Muyam Shishu. Liberty FM. Sebena pim for crowd, almost no more by force. Because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghanaians do not want to hear his name. Because the performance was very, very bad. Severely bad. And that time we're expecting some more Kasa Swa. Now come back Kasa passionately, appealing to the Ghanaians. Obeti almost say Russia, Ukraine. After all this abysmal performance, na Ghana for yes, one Obeti almost say Russia, Ukraine. Russia, Ukraine, sir. That is my fear. My fear for Ghanaians. And my fear for the MPP. And he said we are pleading with them. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia mo ne ba e cool chop nsema Brian Champon mo kan bi na ye begina so aka nsema ye papa Kennedy a Japan mo kan bi ni ye beka nsema Kwabena Ajay is it Kwabena Ajay a Japan o mo kan bi ni ye begina so aka nyema Ghana fo ahunu the difference between NDC government and then MPP government that is going to be headed by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say ne aban papa ba sidi na ba fam Ghana for jetum say aban papa abba.
Me da siapewe. Nyamisha adaba me fast da informa Born Agro Limited. Womo akwakofa major Aba major 3-1 selective with this. Yade etu ebira se obia waye abrufu ebu. Wunya major ebetu wira na se ewo ma ho ato. Sara nso na bond iron ema obi biara waye bayirifu waye banchifu abrobe. Kakadro na afi ahwidifu. Sankrofo nyina munya bond iron na mubetumi edetu ewira na ahye afuo no mu ema no. Anu jana pe me kamfo amount Born Agro Limited and Aquacofa Nodia Bibjaso. Who bet me from 0246519012. Sarah so a pesque almost a man can show. Say, I'm a man once in a free a day at the Korean smoke of Blani Edinia. What the any Yakumayari? What the any diabetes? Sabi Oberman Nation of Pesi Ebium and Mawotono is to swap. Opesi and I can see at the mount. Prostate air how. Dental problems, stomach ulcer, stress, stroke, and afi wani how. What the memorial and I pesque. Yaria ben how. Ebiama mo yaria and so be how biaram. For any children our pesque our empomum. Woman and Pentecost as sorry and edi enemy. Woman abrosina VIP for a Jinana bus terminal honum a wa and not woman ewo. Sabrosani one or more from 0530122500 and 0268477660. Saranso ena anapay wo temenka tell us men can show. Say wo de ye hia na say obe reconnect na ososo no wabo adwuma. Wo broadband no just reconnect. Ebia na wo obi dada ena wo ye wadwen say wo ji home kakra. Ebre this very month here will be a reconnect and get your bonus 100%. Also wo ho no wate say Telisa broadband in the eye into also Kotobi. After that Kotobi, Otoy na na instantly you get 50% bonus data bundle. Saranso so ena obi awodie woda so kuram twetwe womfiri mu free sɛ wotɔ yɛ abɛsi nnɛ daadaa nyinaa wogyina mu oh woyɛ loyal ɛno nti sɛ wo reconnect sɛ wotɔ foforɔ anaa wogyina mu dada woyɛ loyal customer no mu nyinaa no mowɔ akyɛdeɛ. All that you have to do is to dial *900# anaa bɛ visit a Telecel Play app no na wa reactivate no wasan subscribe today. Telecel say connecting energies. Betway influencer wo de na say hyehyɛ wo bet no wo hyehyɛ wo bet na wo twa ya wo wia no wasan so edo code ndia tum na nuanom no so afa no wo so atwa wo mu twa sika bia wo mbenya bi no so wo benya mfaso ewom arunti sisi ade wo hyehyɛ na watwa na wasa anya sika free arunti Betway influencer no but Kai said it is only on Betway. Kai, terms and conditions apply. Gaming Commission of Ghana and Eshemukina. Wamuna touch the American Jumedi Bro. Inti bet responsibly. Betway or to get to more. Saranso and up is Cooper Obana Kodia may come for a smart effect college at the amount. Mofrano Wamuda actually Hunya. Adia and na anase eja ebetum de eja ba a obia etumi nyemfini nsem ene se ode nwoma ebewura ne trimu abofra no kotro nso hwe kotro wasi wantwa obeso otro no foforo fa no bra sara nso ena wo abofra nso wo hodmo no wanya eye 1 year eye crèche a kokozi abofra no ko class 4 akonya wo ho ema wo nyina school ewo eye bia enka na Grace Preparatory School ewo no ewo so macro so wi oso ya free 0245191829 and 0545532976. Smart effort college or say just be smart and we will put in our effort. God is able enterprise say anapay womo abi womo pono akuafo agye nkwafe organic fertilizer no mo di biaba anti akuafo nyina fo mo nchim ewo God is able enterprise womo ewo esa hwi oso dwuna se abase na womo sanso ewo POP cement ene ne fiber nyina ewo womo so hodma womo airton anti fra womo 0245648889 and 0557791530. The Bros phones a hot air phone papa ifie anti what men can pe phone papa e de akuradia eno and the Bros phone services womo phones no e kama nti phone be na ope iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, laptops ne bunia na also ope air phone glass, phone protectors, your phone covers and your air power banks a wodo nyina bi we aso so you also gina say any wo boada ka bros anu so ho a and the Bros phone service ewo ubetuna frɛ 0550981107 and 0543531524. The Bros phone service also quality affordable phones and gadgets. Bills macro credit yasin ya uhia and Ghana card. Bills de nia uhia and Ghana card. Unya fa Ghana card udu ya so no sika bia opebia no ye de be ma ye ho ye nkase be ye collateral ana say kofa collateral bra ana bebe tususu ema sika no kokodu ba bia na kofa de be deposit bi ansa da bi ni ehia ne se odo Ghana card ne beba wo de Ghana card ne banko ade a ye be ma osika. Bills macro credit here and Ghana card 0596920833 and 0302200390. In Chilemubia, we are the friend numbers and get started. But remember, terms and conditions apply. In Supano and density natural water. And a peda may come for them. We be able to in Canada paying your 500ml sachet water or 19.5 liter bottles. Jumade would you be here and show us and Noah and density natural mineral water. Say a year abedin to engagement, adoring, and again a year. And then I will be here. She was here. Food and Drugs Authority are approved into density natural mineral water making for the amount number 27 New Ridge, Tanos Main Road, a whole NASA and a number 96604743 and 0208466256. And I buy my name come 0536304072 and come I didn't want to me Edward Winche. Abia would medi eso ntiana pay ma yentio 0536304072 0322296342 eno eye number an pay ye de ma se wonso nkoma ye di no frɛ na for wadwenkyerɛ ebeboa ye ewo dwumadi eso ntiana pay ma minti kakra oso so woka efa nkoma mene ayemenu edi but answer no ma menka was say Institute of Mines and Environmental Safety. Okay, ma memfa aye ofrefu we na wa ma me akwanya krabo. Ma memfa na menti ono nso kakra. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba che odin wase boy.
Pacha Gruma ni say bobra.
Ora Gruma me bra no kobo ne taw.
Yo Kayaso wo de metia ona pa ni machi apawe. Ni machi ofata awo tukakuru. Na bi apawe kan ne kure pa. Hwe ampikifo da bia mekasa ampikifo mo ayete maka udi ne mo ayi udi me chinso ayi na ya nya mampanyin papa wo boa Ghana man ama ye ho ataya no se no mu twa na ye na asifom epise udi koto agu ankuru na uye wo mu so ya gabo wo ki Ghana fo ho de omu di ye no ki nya ade a wo mbo mo ye mo agin sha ban pa de omu nya omu ba de
all right okay thank you. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pa jo din wasem.
Mbaje wa kola wa beto da Sevitano.
All right, I better that minti Okada for champion.
Anoto wa bozuma.
Liberty FM.
Sama modu bo mi ana mi chamba pa Abia. MPP misromu. Senior da champion wo ye no. So mo de travel politics bad here. So ye tani bo mi say. Na se kotina ba champo wunya ura fi se MPP so ntafo wo ma omo MPP nti be so omo do mbeto ma wana nti omo sho omo kasa yi ene DC from kwatro ye di so omo se vice president ne hwan wo Ghana ha ye se ba umia uko ba bia ni di ashata apewe ni fi asem nsuwe na ye se no omo hwe no omo fisi.
All right, okay, apewe ni fi asem mate. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Okundo.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to say?
Adam Nanswe.
Oh, Okundo, my minda was in a mentia with you for you. I'm in Germany. You go by a squamming qua contemplate papa. Okundo, if it's so by liberty, and then one of me do who you are crazy.
My headache.
Yentia, mammy do here on a say. A boy can send me say. That's no more to know. Omunion tree. Nah.
Maybe sir no question. And us and on our church and I'm besides in Tikofi can one and not say I na me see you. Oh and empatch of fetch me why. Empatch of fetch.
Kennedy. You say, and I was asking how I saw the bean. You were Dr. Mumba. What so cool? Now, what you want to do it? The one can you put a menopause what is it? Nothing that Trina and Crown could do W2 on the crowd or near who's a master Jumano. I was asking who prepare MPP Mumba or Beam.
Medasi. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir. Major Paul, I'm you.
Kayaso, with us, na much here to be right now. Kayaso, I want to buy.
Pajo Kofi Abia.
Abia, opening honorable, chair papa. Na much here about me,
Liberty FM.
Oh, sir, and his workers are. I was about me, Musuno. Sir, I'm going to work on President. Amampani akufuwa do compressor do velo ko ba ko ndi ni sinchen e mo adwen na modeka dimo MPP fo ndie na me delegate ka ho bi e ko to aba no dinya se ko sha ase e de amampani ni dada o ye vice president abba baba boyen 2028 itimi gidi se obo company no bo se no anu se wafa no na ekro no anti NDC am fa won dem baka nga am ka che ne ko wari se woni president da on the Chechia, on the Fatano, so Lawrence, President Lawrence, Dada, on Qua, said when you're because a different currency, you kind, or sister, Paconia Transwa, Hong Kong, another, what say a Kunyan one chancel, and so Akuvado, Nakuvado, and no better president, you want to and San Walker, Santa, Bonyazo, no cancer on and so 10 years.
All right, Bedasi, Yamisha, hello. Yes, sir. All right, Ojugu, I'm in here.
and this is for and you want to match the same for women. No, will be on the now. What is for Weber? But I say, oh, sorry, Paro. Now, as I'm a Bonia, Echo Suya, and Yama against me, and then Ubia Yamubo, or 2 day and talk, or Bibia, and Koye, and the only here people, and the best friend before you say, Yakasa, Yam, every day, the Namapani trial through. And Amamua or Mampaniga, I can't say Omudia, you free by the MPP and Pesa. And the other friend for the Munya May, Nafi, and in the criminal.
Okay.
Or Mampani, Abia Chile, and you must poor Bayan Kumano, the Dio Kumapa.
Okay. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning,
Me Pacha Woody.
Project Shini, Idris Mohammed.
Kasai.
Open you guys here. When you're minister of Papa, it's here in this, you know, Waboy Juma. Now, open you guys here. Akoko. So, someone, Nissan Kwaya said, Denya, and Yakuma said that. MPT4 dear dance here said, John Mahama Eboy Juma. Now, so, no Kureno, because of power and tea. Open you can say anything or Mokasa say no. Omo him said John Mahama. Or boy Juma Kasa. And over control honorable pious, honorable ammonia 1, also ye Juma. And the end is about the Yabam Puntu Kwan, Asia Wawa. It is an empty for Mumpo, Akotia, NDC Yabaji. That's it, no. NDC, they make like an NDC. NDC are 5 years. And the MP for Mumpo, and this Ohano is sitting in Yabaji. Yet, somebody you are open because they would Churato, Idris Mohammed, Ben America. NDC, Akotia, sit no, NDC are 5 years.
Okay, but that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Fine morning.
What about Nodi?
Well, me, I'll tell you this for your film about Papa, no question. Research and I'm Yami, what was you? Mahama. Research of Boasewa, by 4 by a Chibayi, money Bernuma, Emma, or research and I will have this for your Kremala. So, young man, what he who Galam Semo Faber, Yadi, Mahama, I think I'll be almost 2 60, but to Mamma, Mokasadi. Yeah, but you. Yes, Mahama, or my brass. Not this one, Gassanga, the mother in brass, Naba, Papa, Papa, the pacing, the Henongo Boka.
All right. Martin, Medasi. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacha Woody no sir. Asadabe, Mammy Tio.
You mean I have pushed up research mammy, who fear about Chanama, Asadabe, or Chan or Bonhomo, the Yakuponchirano. Namacha, you are as the Casamobo do ever science, and I'm telling you, Dr. Mahmoud Bomia, on the Alexander Botte. Let me say, oh, say, Minia, and maybe no more than another Danko who may be president. I didn't some man come from. Another will be the president 8 good years on the first time and to know and then another no more the Crumpeta Nipa Yawan. So that the Amoka Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and Yajuma, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, about the Ghana president or Ghana, I will be a new one, you know. I must say, Minia and PP for said, Amon Kayo Mochi, no more said, you didn't go 2 times. Now, that's what you didn't go 3 times. And then ultimately, when the power and my that's a Dr. Mahmoud Bamiako, Bakunata, yes, I found 3 times, and I said, you didn't call where Aisha La.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Where am I last caller here for say? Osman, I mean to you.
Dr. Mahmoud Boromia to me, but oh my God, I can't say what you don't know. Eddie, I said them, and this are for IGP. over $1 say. Dollar cost from our bedroom. 10 cities. Okay, about Papa Naban. Yeah, the basic say Busuoke, you be cocoa. About Papa Ben, Busuoke, will be cocoa my any for. You see, when I was going to see a demo. Cafes now. Come on, be cocoa. Because Cafon the better cocoa na packet. You can get the Busuno, not the amount, and then about Papa Ben was in the big cocoa them cocoa for. And then you need to for so. And the patrol perform. And then you see about Papa. Dr. Ghana for a whole year.
All right. Yeah, dear, I've from the Bisiwa. Mamma faster than a pen for my pure health clinic for one more Eddie can come bitters, can come tie stop, can come cool capsules, and can come ointment a bejaso. A year say Abia Enyabi, Eddie to the Yarawa, I say. Ubet me afraid a doctor can come. It was 024671 0712 and 027 450 6976 0274 506976. Maybe Cecilia.
Zuva is 2 years old. Yes, Zuva is 2 years old and it's gonna be a 3 days non-stop party. A 3 days non-stop party. On the 29th of August 2025 is Ladies in Charge featuring DJ Apolizi, DJ Suspect, and the female DJ, DJ Bowsy. We your official hype man, MC Naughty Black. We own the city. 30th August 2025 inside Zuva Bar and Lounge. And a shutdown party with DJ Wasike, 31st August 2025, featuring DJ Wasike and Hype God Tuga. For table reservations, kindly call 053-844-8140. Zuva Bar and Lounge is located inside Station Yoso, Abodium Junction. Do well to try the Zuva Shawarma from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. 30 cities and 50 cities respectively. Delivery is available.
Idini omamba pa Kofi Asante na omamba pa sadia ne se obeboa ne manfo wa bra wonfo won sika ana won se wa daje won niam bi ho na ne eni na mu no a babia yakokopie ene Institute of Mines and Environmental Safety aye chani tuaka se IMS Africa e suku a abapotamo ha esese obi a wo pe mines adwuma ayo ana se wo pese usua se de esi operating fidia hodo bi te se dump truck, excavator, wheel loader, forklift, mobile crane, dozer, backhoe ene fidia hodo pi
na esan se wiase ho bambo adwuma ko age school ya tomunti o wie school ya abodin krata wo benya no emu odu ye do bekwa akire na afa DVL nso ebema license ye no so beboa mo atwi fudi akese shallin so sa IMS Africa ye je wo feso ama wontitiye
anokwasem pa ne se ku ahodo abampotem ha na IMS Africa de idie medimani ko hwe ye ne ba bia ku ne wo no ene ho niema no abusuafo esewani sa wo ka kire